In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pause your MailChimp account in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want to take a break from your email marketing, stop active billing for a while, or temporarily step away from your campaigns without fully deleting your account. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the site loads, sign into your account using your email address and password. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one MailChimp workspace or brand. After you're signed in, you'll land on the MailChimp dashboard. Click your profile icon. This opens up your account menu. From here, select Account and Billing. This is where MailChimp keeps your subscription settings, billing details, and plan management options. On the Account and Billing page, you'll see several tabs and account sections. Click the Settings tab to open the plan-related options. Once you're in the Settings area, find and click Manage My Plan. This page shows your current subscription information, plan level, and any available changes you can make to your account. Now scroll down carefully until you find the Pause My Plan option. Depending on your account and current plan, this may appear lower on the page, so take your time and look through the available settings. When you see Pause My Plan, click it to begin the pause process. MailChimp may ask you to review a few details before confirming the change, so read everything carefully before continuing. At this stage, it's important to understand what pausing your plan means. In most cases, pausing lets you temporarily stop your MailChimp subscription instead of fully canceling it. That can be a helpful choice if you're not ready to close your account permanently. Always check the on-screen notes so you know exactly what features you'll keep access to and what limitations may apply while the account is paused. Once you've reviewed the information and confirmed your choice, follow the prompts to complete the pause request. After that, your MailChimp plan should be paused successfully. And that's it. You now know how to pause your MailChimp account. If this video saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.